So how to transfer money internationally on Lloyds. So to send money internationally on Lloyds, you'll firstly want to click on Pay and Transfer right here. And then same as a normal transfer, you just want to click on Choose Who to Pay. And then once it gives you the option, you'll want to select Pay Someone New and then Pay International Bank Account. Then once you've done that, it should pull you through to this screen here. And again, you'll just want to select Pay Someone New. Then for the next step, you just need to select the country you're paying. So for the example of this video, let's say we want to transfer money to the United States. And then once you've selected the country you want to send to, you'll just want to go ahead and click Next. Now, the questions it might ask you from here might differ depending on which country you're sending to. So for example here, it wants you to include the full name you're sending to and their address. And then once you've entered those details, you can go ahead and enter the bank details that you want to send the money to. And then once you've entered the bank details you want to send to, you'll be given this page here, which will notify you on which currency you'll be sending money in. So as we're sending to the US, it's going to do it in USD. But obviously, while you're sending in USD, you want to keep a note on the exchange rates and any fees that might be included when you send money. So for the example of this video, let's say we want to send 10 British pounds. It's about $1.3 to £1 British pound. But you'll also notice as well, there is a £9.50 fee. So this is definitely something to consider before you send money abroad on Lloyds. But if you're happy with the exchange rates, you can go ahead and select Next. And then finally, you'll just be prompted with a reference. And if you're happy to proceed with the payment, you can go ahead and select Next. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.